to delete character AI account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to delete your character AI account. So for that, just simply open your character AI official website, and after that just simply log into your account. And once you are logged in into your account, in order to delete your account, you need to click on the profile section from the right hand side of the screen. And over here you will be able to see the option called profile settings. Just simply click on it. And after that, just go to the preference section from the left hand side, and over here you will be able to see a bunch of different options like manage subscription, logout and remove account. So in order to delete your account, you need to click on remove account and your character AI account will be deleted. So this is how simple it is to delete it. So this is basically how you will be able to delete your character AI account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.